Built in 1948, Hampton's historic War Memorial Stadium has held 9 different Major League Baseball affiliates in its time. These days, the Peninsula Pilots call this field home in a different league featuring the top college players in the country. And every summer, the Peninsula's only baseball team brings this old stadium back to life.
Peninsula Pilots are a team in the Coastal Plain League, which is a college wood bat summer league.
Your Peninsula Pilots!
There's some good ball players here. It's a good class of ball.
I love baseball. Rip that ball, baby!
I've been coming here probably all together, putting it on, about 49 years.
A lot of history when you make your way around the park.
We had Johnny Bench play here, Gene Tennis played here, Lou Piniella played here, Clyde May Shore. A lot of big-name guys that went on into the majors, that some of them in the Hall of Fame.
That boy. When we talk to people about the Peninsula, this is kind of Hampton's hometown team.
As far as any type of ball on the Peninsula, this is what the people come to see.
In Hampton, Drew Copley, News Channel 3 Sports.